In this video, we will look at the ebooks available to the students and parents. The student ebooks are included with all video courses where a student text is available, and with a full textbook kit purchased from a consultant or BJU Press Homeschool. These ebooks can be found on the Library tab on the Homeschool Hub and on the BJU Press Connect app, available for download on the App Store or Google Play. Once opened, an ebook launches in a new browser tab in the e-reader. We'll cover the e-reader itself in more detail in another video. The Library tab is the fourth tab on the left, and the icon looks like a tablet. Before any courses are assigned, the parent can see all ebooks available in the unassigned books. All users will have access to these ebooks through the Hub until their course product lease expires, which is normally 16 months from the date of purchase. Once the video course has been assigned to the student, if an ebook is available, the system will automatically assign that ebook to the student. For all textbook courses, the ebook will show up in the unassigned book. These ebooks are not automatically assigned and will need to be assigned to the student from the parent profile. For each ebook, student or TE, there is a minor difference that shows the user what type of course the book is for. For all video courses, the course title and edition are listed in a rectangle, which changes color to match what the parent chose for that course when assigning it to the student. Textbook course ebooks do not have this rectangle. Instead, for all textbook courses, the expiration date is listed in the information box to remind the user when the ebook expires. The ebook itself, student or teacher, is identical no matter the course type. That rectangle or expiration date is simply showing which type of course it's for. Clicking on the details of the course, a pop-up window brings up completion information regarding the student's progress in the book, along with a short paragraph about the book. This window also shows how many bookmarks, highlights, and notes were made, and provides a button to open the book. From the student profile, we can see the view is similar to the parent's. However, the student only has access to those courses that were assigned to the student profile. Both the student and parents can filter the view and search for a certain course. From the parent profile, we can see at a glance all the TEs listed in alphabetical order that are available to the parent profile for all students. The teacher ebooks are also pre-assigned to the parent profile. All TEs for all courses will be available to view from the Parent Library tab, regardless of which student is being viewed. Note that Reading 1 contains 6 books, but there is only one ebook. However, Reading 2 and Reading 3 are assigned separately. Novels and book links for reading and literature courses are not part of the ebooks and will not be accessible through the Hub. The library contains only the student textbook and teacher edition books that correspond to the assigned course. Activity manuals, lab manuals, and review books are consumable and not available in the library. Any work text, activity, or lab manual answer keys that are not included in the TE will be in the course resources, either under course files or online resources. Whether it's on the Homeschool Hub or the BJU Press Connect app, the Library tab makes it easy for students and parents to find, track, and access their ebooks, helping everyone stay organized and on track, even on the go.